Good morning.
Good morning, sir and madam.
Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Lolet B. Vasquez. I'm 23 years old. I'm single and I live with my parents.
What are your duties and responsibility as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities as domestic helper is to manage all the household, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of baby.
Tell me about your working experience.
I work as I work as a domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. Makapagong for 2 years since 2006 and 2009 here in Philippines.
Okay, do you know how to taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, madam, I know how to take care of my newborn baby. My feeding them meal formula every 3 to 4 hours and the baby every after feeding. Change diaper, send the baby to sleep by singing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and gave vitamins, then take body temperature and clean their feeding bottles.
What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check if the diaper is wet or I will check if the baby is hungry and but still crying, then I will inform my employer their baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to taking care of an elderly person?
Yes, madam, I am willing to take care of my an elderly person, even a bedridden, since I have my grandparents. So I will take care the elderly like my grandparents by helping them their needs. I like taking their foods and medicine.
Would you like to, how would you handle a naughty children?
Sir, madam, I would be very friendly and play with them so I could get that attention, and I can care naughty children by playing with them, sing sing song together with them, teaching the ABCD, reading books together, telling story, teaching how to read and how to write by giving the love and care, teaching them all manners and right conduct.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam. I know how to cook Filipino food very well, like tinola, sinigang adobo, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried vegetable, fried rice, noodles, and soap. I'm always willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, madam. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, um, polisher, every oven toaster and microwave and others.
Most of the employer in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, sir, madam. I'm very much willing to learn Cantonese so that I could fully understand them, especially the elderly.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores at the same time taking care of the children. So how can you handle this situation?
Sir, madam, I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting into the crib or by giving them toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitor? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will not take my day off and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
Sir, madam, I can win the trust of my employer by doing my best to work hard and by being honest and dedicated to my works, and give importance to their things and properties, and I will entrust my passport to my employer, way that my employer trusted to me.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary given to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help my family to provide their needs.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me an opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that I will work very hard, be obedient and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract without facing any problem. Thank you and God bless.